Hi and welcome to KISS TV's election news update. My name is Susan Kimasha. Coming up in this bulletin, Raila still in the lead in the results that are being released by IEBC. Ruto congratulates the Kenya Kwanza elected leaders. And thirdly, a light aircraft crash lands in Njoro. For these and more, stay tuned. A warm welcome to you. Today is the fourth day since the start of the verification of results for the presidential election at the National Tallying Centre, Bomas of Kenya. By this evening, the Independent Electoral Commission had verified results from 90 constituencies where Azimio la Umoja candidate Raila Odinga is leading with 2,196,772 votes, followed by William Ruto of UDA party with 2,041,816 votes. George Wajakoya of the Roots Party has 18,858 votes, and David Moore of Agano Party has managed to get 9,964 votes. Still in election matters, the IEBC has today erroneously announced an extra 10,000 votes for the Deputy President William Ruto in Kiambu Town constituency. The error was however detected and the correct figure was announced after journalists raised the issue. Initially, the Commission announced DP Ruto of UDA was leading in the constituency with 51,050 votes against Raila's 14,860, despite the total valid votes standing at 56,546. Both David Moore and George Wajakoya got 318 votes each.
They wrote it as 14,760 in Form B. Earlier on, then in Form C, it was corrected and restored as 14,860. Ruto William is 41,050. There's nowhere where we added 10,000 to any of the candidates. I hope this is clear and will be corrected. Thank you.
Kenya Kwanza presidential candidate William Ruto has sent a congratulatory message to the coalition's newly elected leaders in Tuesday's general election. Through his Twitter handle, the deputy president especially praised the female leaders who have been elected in various capacities across the country, saying they had broken barriers. His message came just a few hours after Azimio la Umoja presidential running mate Martha Karua and Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka held a meeting with their coalition's new leaders at KICC. A pilot and two occupants this afternoon escaped unhurt after their light aircraft failed to advance, forcing them to crash land at a farm in Ewata village in Njoro, Nakuru County. The pilot, named Joshua Kwam, told police that the passengers he was carrying were headed to the Masai Mara Game Reserve. The two comprise of a 28-year-old Peruvian and a 29-year-old French national. And finally, the Ministry of Agriculture has denied reports that it has suspended the 100 shillings Unga subsidy. According to the PS, State Department for Crops Development and Agricultural Research, Francis Owino, the program is still on. However, an internal memo dated today showed that the Treasury was slow in releasing funds to implement the program, thus the decision to suspend it. Thank you indeed for joining us throughout the day for our updates. We will leave you now with pictures of some of the winners in this election. My name is Susan Kimasha.